Pune Times and Pune Mirror are completing 18 years in Pune, and it is a very grand achievement because 18 years before there was not very much English journalism in Pune. Pune was known for Marathi journalism, and it was abode of Marathi. It is an abode of Marathi journalism. But still, Times Group started the Pune Times and Pune Mirror in Pune, and it has achieved a good readership. They are addressing civic issues, and they are catering the taste of very knowledgeable Punekars. So I congratulate Pune Times and Mirror, and I wish them very long and successful tenure in Pune.